Welcome to another episode of the Superfriends Show, where we give advice about friends with one rule of mind.
Me first! Now let's go to our first question of the day from Annoyed Andrea. Andrea, how can we help you steamroll your pals?
Hey Super Friends, what should I do when my BFFs don't want to play the same game that I do?
Easy. Throw a tantrum until your friends give in. Works every time.
Angela, do you want to play a game of checkers?
No! I only want to play Go Fish!
Well, if it's that important to you.
Cool, I'll deal! Just one small example of how life works better when you think, me first! Our next question comes from Show Off Sean.
Super Friends, my friend has trouble understanding fractions. How can I help her?
Tutoring kids is boring, but on the other hand, it can make you look smart.
Kind of like hosting the Superfriends Show.
So when you talk about fractions with your friends, make sure you show off.
Fear not, Jackie. I'm here to keep you from being a number numbskull, a math mope, a fraction freak.
Shelby, I get it now.
How could you without my amazing brain? You got all the right answers.
Can I have my paper back?
There's only one way left to show my brilliance. We'll start over. Now you'll see what a denominator-dominator can do.
Even when your friends let you down by getting smart, you can still show off when you say, me first.
Okay, now for our next question. That's weird, there's no more questions.
Let me see.
Hey, I have a question. Me too. Dear Super Friends, what do you do when you get bad advice about thinking me first?
And then your friends hate your guts because you're selfish.
We were just kidding about the me first stuff.
But it's an easy fix. Stop just caring about yourself and care about other people too.
Yeah, like friends first.
Okay, how about you show us how it's done?
We give advice, we don't take it.
If you don't fix this with our friends, we're telling you this big fine.
And your moms.
Your wish is our command.
Most people are pretty good at thinking me first. But when you only consider what you want, it can make you do selfish things. So today, try thinking friend first. Consider what other people want, then what you want. Your friends will thank you for it.